In this box is the new off-road camping trailer from Injora. Let's open the box, have a look what's inside and get it fitted to my TRX4M. So as well as the camping trailer, I've also bought a 18th scale tow hitch for the TRX4M. Trusty knife. Let's get it open. You get some stickers. You get a load of fixings and some self-assembly required. And you get the trailer itself. Well packaged, loads of high density closed cell foam. Might be easier to do it that way. There we go. Big reveal. Oh, cool. So it's got what looks like leaf spring suspension underneath, but it's not actually suspension in any way. They are, I can't read that. They are tyres. Blimey, they're stiff. Am I doing that right? That one opens. There we go, it does open. Come back to you on that one. Lots of space inside. I don't know if you can see in there. Looks like these cover up some windows, so if I can get those open. There we go. There they do. So it looks like it's the same on both sides. Little door. There we go. That's got me. Yeah. So plenty of room inside for whatever scale type you might want to fit. Cool little roof rack. As far as I can tell, it's all plastic construction except for the hexes. I might be mistaken, but they look... They don't... Yeah, they are. They're beadlocks. Okay. Cool. Tyres feel soft. Don't think there's any foams in there. Right. Let's get it put together. So pretty much there. As usual with Injora, they've got loads of extra hardware. A spare ball end, makeshift towing hitch. Spare brass piece for that. Spare screws. The only assembly I've found so far that needs doing is 2 screws. One there, one there, one there. Nothing to it. One cool feature, you've got little buckets there for the rear lights. There's only one, so it's going to be a tail light only, no brake light. And slightly disappointing maybe, I don't know. The wheels are specific to the trailer, so the wheel has the wheel bearing inside the centerpiece of the wheel. But nonetheless, you know, they're not driven wheels, so you're not going to be fighting for grip. Tyres feel nice and soft. They look pretty scale. They are 1-inch wheels. And they spin nice and free. Let's get that drop back on. It looks like it's, yeah, it is. All hex hardware throughout except for the beadlock screws on the back of the wheel, but again, I don't see why you'd ever need to take those off. It's got a little, nothing so stiff on these. Little thing I've just broken, I think. No, that's supposed to do that, that's fine. Little stand so it can sort of freestand on its own, assuming you don't load the back of it up. Yeah, it's cool, I like it. I'll get the towing hitch figured out and fitted to the TRX4M, and we'll have a look at it all together. Right, so I'm out in the woods, got the trailer fitted up to the TRX4M. I've got to bodge that on a little bit because I don't like running the bumpers on the body. Don't like them. Quick build breakdown on this one. Injora 7kg servo that's dying. Injora 370 motor. Injora MB100 ESC. Dumbo receiver thrown in. Still running the stock Traxxas battery. We're running Injora 1-inch wheels. RC 4-wheel drive tyres, Injora shocks, Injora carbon chassis, Injora drive shafts, Injora links. We're running a stock skid. It's an Injora transmission which you have to run with the 370 motor. And we are stock axles with some brass bits on. It is actually running the speed gears. I think. So, yes, the slow crawl isn't great, but that's not necessarily the point of it. Let's follow it down a trail. Well, there you have it. Hope you enjoyed that little running segment. I'm quite impressed with the trailer. It has a tendency to fall over a lot. You can see, if I can get it to focus, just there, where these black trims are actually painted the sandy coloured underneath, so any marks you get on those are going to stand out. Other than that, I think it looks pretty cool. Certainly does the job. All the towing hitches stayed in one piece. So let me know if you want to see more videos like this, reviews of scale things, running footage of 18th scale stuff, reviews of 18th scale stuff, as well as the 10th scale. I've had a lot of fun. I'll catch you on the next one.